everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Speak English with Hindu. Today we will practice speaking English together. If you are not able to speak English perfectly, don't worry. Here we will learn English and speak together. If you are not perfect in English, don't worry. You just have to listen and repeat after me. Repeat. I'm speaking English. I will speak English every day. I will learn from my mistake. If you are not perfect in English, don't worry. You just have to listen and repeat after me. Repeat. I'm speaking English. I will speak English every day. I will learn from my mistake. Consistency is the key to success. Once upon a time, Rabbit and Tortoise have decided to take competition of racing. Rabbit started running very fastly, but in the between only he thought that a tortoise is running too slow, so can take rest for few minutes. After that, I will again run. And what happens? You imagine? He got it for many hours. He gone deep sleep. But tortoise running consistently, he walking consistently, slowing but consistently, and he reached destination and finally he won the race. When a rabbit woke up, then he saw that tortoise is won. So, what you have learned from this story that consistency is the key to success. It makes man perfect. Means what? And listening is also the power of tool of learning English language. Remember one thing that when you are in childhood, how you learn your native language by only listening, no? That time you were not gone for school to learn your native language. You just listen, and when you first speak, try to speak roti, you can't able to speak roti, you say toti, no? Yes, of course, by doing mistakes only we learn to speak. So we also able to speak English properly. So don't worry, you just have to try little daily, and by practicing we finally we were able to fluent in our English together, grow together. Incident I have remember of Albert Einstein, that when he tried to invent bulb, then he failed many times. He failed almost 1,000 times. And what happens when we fail a single time, or only that we fail very demotivated, no? But he don't do that. He regularly practicing inventing bulb, and people around him used to mock at him, laughed at him, and used to say that why are you wasting your time, this valve can't work anytime. Then he didn't listen anyone, he just focused on his work, and finally he invented bulb. When he invented bulb, one interviewer came and asked how you feel when you face 1,000 times failures, and how you able to make that bulb. Then he says that no, I haven't failed single time. I have learned 1,000 ways of not working bulb. So, what a great mindset he has now. He thought that I am learning. Just changing of mindset can create history. So, change your mindset. Uh, Failure is nothing. You have to just learn every single seconds, every single time from your failures, from your success. Just you have to improve, and don't worry about making mistakes, because you are making mistakes means you are improving, you are doing new things, and you are growing. So make mistakes, don't forget to making mistakes. I also have make the mistakes many a lot, because I am also learning English with you all. So I'm making this video to just learn and confidently, and be confident, and I just want to talk with you all. So I have made this video. If you want to really improve your English, then uh, you have to listen regularly, listen English podcast, English movies. You have to listen a lot, then automatically you can able to speak, and you have to uh, practice of speaking too. And definitely you make mistakes a lot, and finally you are able to speak fluently. I have a fully faith on you. You are all the great audience of today. So never give up, improve daily. Consistency is the key to success. Practice makes man perfect. So bye bye. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. You have learned a lot. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and comment your views, thoughts. Comment whatever you think, whatever you thought. You have to just write your sentence. Are you ready to speak English with me, grow with me? So comment in the comment section, and yes, uh, give me suggestions to what you want in the next video. Till then, bye bye. I will see you in the next video. You are a great audience of the day. Thank you so much.